Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacher Jessie's channel. Today we will look at cefr2 Unit 6, The Old House, Lesson 1, Topic Habitat. Let's go into detail about the topic. Hello children. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to give the meaning of habitat. Identify different types of habitat. Name different types of habitat. And lastly, say what colors are they. Let us go to listening and speaking activities. I want you to listen to this audio and find out what are the habitats mentioned in the video. Okay children, let's go into deep to the lesson. We are going to see what are the colors of the habitat and what are the things that we can find in the habitat. Okay, the first one, we look at the polar region. Polar region is cold and breezy. The color of the polar region is white and blue. You can find penguins and polar bear in the habitat of polar region. Next, we look at the habitat of ocean. You can find small and big fish. You also can find shark, whale and dolphin. There are also corals in the ocean, in the deep ocean. The color of the ocean is white and blue. There are also endangered animals live in the ocean, such as turtle. Next, we look at jungle. Jungle are black, white, and green. Animals that live on the land live in the jungle, such as monkey, tiger, lion, and insects. Jungle is a rainforest for many types of trees, wild plants, and flowers. Jungle also being used for research, such as for medicine and also animals. And one more important thing about the habitat of jungle is for wildlife protection. Many wildlife animals live in the jungle. Jungle is a home for the animals. Next, we look at the desert. Desert is a dry, hot, and warm, and also little rainy once in a while. You can find camel, iguana, and scorpion around the desert. The desert is brown and yellow. You can find cactus. Lastly, the soil is sandy. Lastly, we look at the mountains. Mountains are green, brown, and yellow. You can find plants, big trees, and mushrooms growing at the mountain. Mountain is a home for grassland animals such as sheep, yak, and also there are monkeys swinging from one tree to another tree. So, mountains are home for animals and also plants. Let us look at the exercise 1. What colors are they? You may refer to your Supermind student book, page 78. Look at the instruction. Photocopy the page. The page can be found in your textbook. Make a photocopy. Cut out the picture one by one. And for each picture, write what colors are they. You may refer to the video and my explanation earlier given to you. And do in your exercise book. For example, you cut out the picture of the polar region, paste in your book, and write the polar regions are white and blue. Second, number 2, cut out the picture of the ocean and write about the ocean. Number 3, cut out the picture of the jungle, paste and write about the jungle. Desert. Same goes to desert and also mountains. Exercise 2 involving Sea Habitat project. Look at the instruction. Create an aquarium similar to this. You may use boxes or cardboard to make an aquarium. Include sea animals such as fish, octopus, starfish, crab, whales, dolphin, and many more. So you may get the pictures from the internet, or you may photocopy from the books, or you can get from the magazine. Make a picture like this and try to do one aquarium. Aquarium doesn't mean fish in the aquarium. You may include the animals, sea animals that I gave you just now. So, creativity is the main priority in your project. I want you to make a creative aquarium like this. Duration, you are given 2 weeks. Once you have done, you may post in the group private channel. Lastly, for closure, let us do some quick activity. Guess the words given in the video here. So, when you look at the picture, you may pause and guess what are the words. Okay, are you ready?
G-L-E, jungle. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. B O L A R R E G I O N, polar region. O C E A N, ocean.
Okay, children. The test is for you